We're here to witness the thrilling off-road race between our top 3 officers for the prestigious trophy. With 3 vehicles and 2 terrains, this race will be a real challenge. Now, let's choose your vehicle.
I'll choose the round shape. So curious.
You've just got Crabwalk Truck, Alex.
I'm ready for the challenge.
Round 1, Orbeez Pool.
Wow! 3, 2, 1, go!
These Orbeez are bigger than I thought.
Crabwalk Truck. Task.
How to build the Crabwalk Truck. Build the crab claws. Add the gears. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Testing.
I'll take the square one.
Me, the triangle.
I'm gonna win.
The trophy is mine.
Bella, it's your turn.
What an easy game for me.
Underwater car. Fail.
How could that be?
Your turn, David.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah! My wheels can easily roll over the Orbeez.
Yeah! Shrimp Walk Truck. Pass. Round 2, Rocks and Sand. Alex, this is your chance to be the champion.
Rocky Road is no joke.
Oh no!
My car can't move at all.
Crabwalk Truck. Fail. Here's your last chance, Bella.
I must be very careful. Oh no!
Underwater car. Fail.
Wow. What a tough challenge.
Yeah!
Come on, just a little more. I'm gonna make it.
Shrimp Walk Truck. Pass. Our best officer today is David.
Breaking news. A massive oil reserve has been discovered beneath the seabed of Blue Bay.
At Blue Bay.
Hurry up, buddy. We need to take this oil field first.
Don't worry, our car is ready. Let's go. Oh no, the survey car is capsized.
How do we get to the oil field now?
Let's make an underwater SAR quickly.
Build the car chassis. Add the gears. Add the motor. Build the body shell. Connect to the battery box. Add the claw wheels. Testing. Water. Driving in water. Rocks. Driving on rocks. Orbeez. Driving on Orbeez.
I hope this submarine works.
Whoa!
Oh no, that rock area again.
Look, it climbed over the rock.
The oil is right in front of us.
Near the oil field.
What's that ship?
They took the oil, buddy.
Huh?
You bastards, that oil should be ours. I'll take this oil back. A tug of war will decide who gets the oil.
Go!
Keep it up, submarine car.
Don't give up.
Yeah, we won. We've got the oil.
We're gonna be rich.
You're both under arrest for stealing oil.
A storm has hit the city and sweeping away all vehicles.
The storm is coming. This garage needs to be upgraded.
How to build a car garage. Step 1. Build the elevator. The gear. Add the gear to the frame. And more. Add the conveyor belt. The base. Connect them. Add electric motor and battery box. Testing the elevator. The elevator can move up and down easily. Success. Step 2. Build the garage. Set up. The 3-level garage is ready to serve.
I need to park here.
Please go to the 3rd floor.
There's a space left.
3rd floor.
Luckily, my car isn't be submerged.
I want to go to the 2nd floor.
Yes, please come in. 2nd floor.
This is so amazing.
The wind's so strong.
So scary. Look, another storm is coming. Water is rising so fast. The storm is over.
All cars are safe.
Okay.
This pool is stunningly beautiful.
Let's go swimming. Wow, the pool water is so refreshing.
This water slide is absolutely amazing.
Let's build a swimming pool together.
Okay, let's start.
How to build the water pump. Add the gear. Add the engine. Testing. Install the pump. Add the pump cover. Pump water into the pool.
I love how pristine and inviting this pool looks.
Great! I have finished building the swimming pool.
Swimming time. The pool water looks great. The design of this pool is incredibly impressive. Mr. Hand, I want to have a slide into the pool.
So easy. Please wait a moment. I'll finish up right away.
Let's test it.
That's not all. I have an even bigger surprise for you. These are Orbeez, and they expand into larger shapes when soaked in water.
A few moments later.
Oh, they've expanded much larger. I don't need so many Orbeez. I can't move in the pool.
It's interesting, isn't it? In Smiling Critters World.
I want to play the grabber machine.
Me too.
Let's see who get there first.
Uh-huh. First come, first served.
Let's race again.
The Obstacle Course Race. The racetrack is fraught with numerous obstacles, presenting challenges for both cars. Let's start. The Dog Day car is leading. Oh no, the catnap car crashed, but it can get up and continue. The catnap car is marvelous.
I'll win.
Passed.
Loser.
Oh no, the Dog Day car is struggling to move forward. Keep going. Keep going.
What's wrong? I won't give up.
How to build a climbing car. Upgrade the dog day car to the hoppy hopscotch car. Split the car in half. Increase the power of the car. Connect. Testing. Add the hoppy hopscotch head.
I'll be there to win.
The hoppy hopscotch car started participating in the race.
Come on. Come on. I came back. You arrived first. You choose the next stage.
The sawdust stage. This stage is shorter, so I'll finish first.
Sawdust. I will pass the sawdust easily.
Oh no, my car is stuck.
Keep it up.
Come on.
Meanwhile,
Orbeez. Can the hoppy hopscotch car pass?
I will overcome this.
Unbelievable! The hoppy hopscotch car passed the Orbeez hole. Meanwhile, the catnap car is still stuck on Sawdust Road.
I shouldn't have chosen this stage.
I did it.
It's just because you got lucky.
I want to have a lot of teddy bears.
Let's go back.
Next time, I'll win.
Cheers.
Oh no, why is the machine not working?
Where is my drinks? I'm so thirsty.
I'm sorry. Please kindly wait a minute.
What is happening? Oh no.
Please stay calm.
Unbelievable.
I'll rate your restaurant 1 star.
1 star.
That's terrible. Rate 1 star.
Oh no.
The customers all gone.
I have an idea to attract customers.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.